What do you do when what you know, what you're used to, what you thrive on is suddenly stripped away? Something you felt you were just getting used to nearly disappears in front of your eyes. So about a week ago, I woke up and had full intentions on going downtown and taking some photos. I'm going in with the mindset of I don't know what to expect because we're in the midst of a pandemic. My goal isn't to shoot any protests, it's to shoot the people of the streets. So I grab my camera, one roll of film, and I headed out. I get downtown and go to one of the busiest streets I know of in Denver. 16th Street. I'm excited to get downtown because it's been so long since I've last shot any street photos. The second I turned that corner, I was immediately let down by what I see. Nothing. It was just a long, empty street of nothing. Nobody. No people, boarded up shops, and the first thought that comes to my mind is street photography dead for me? But I don't let that tear me down and stop me, so I pull up my camera and begin walking. It's taking longer than usual because everything I'm used to is so foreign now. I'm not used to empty streets, small crowds, empty buses, and no street performers. But I took this moment to challenge myself and try to shoot anyway. To see things differently from the perspective of this new reality. I'm definitely not motivated to keep shooting because everything around me looks so desolate. And not much is happening that's catching my eye, so I only finished the one roll of film. But I leave the streets feeling challenged in a new way, because everything I'm used to was taken away. And that's the value in this experience, learning to adapt and being challenged when everything is stripped away from you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you stuck around to the end, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below because I love discussing and chatting with you guys. Please consider subscribing and definitely share this video because I really enjoyed doing this format and definitely am going to do more of it in the future. So catch you guys later. Peace.